Let me tell you something. Men today have less testosterone than men 30 or 40 years ago, and I'm not talking about a small difference. Your dad at 30 probably had more testosterone than you do at 30. That's crazy, right? And this isn't just about muscles. This affects your energy, your mood, your confidence, your drive, your focus. If you feel tired all the time, if you feel less motivated, if you feel like something is off, this might be the reason. In this video, I'll explain why this is happening, what low testosterone really does to your body, and simple ways to fix it naturally. Let's start. Number 1. Modern life equals less movement. Be honest, how many hours do you spend sitting every day? Maybe it's in your car, stuck in traffic, at your desk at work, scrolling endlessly on your phone, or just lying in bed watching video. Your body notices all of this. When you move less, it thinks you don't need strength, and as a result, it starts producing less testosterone. Back in the past, life was very different. Daily routines required effort, walking long distances, carrying heavy objects, working physically. Your body was constantly pushed to be strong. Today, comfort dominates everything. Less effort and more convenience slowly weaken your body's natural hormone signals. And over time, you notice lower energy, less drive, and even slower recovery from workouts. Small changes like walking more, taking the stairs, and lifting weights 3-4 times a week can make a huge difference. Number 2. Over-masturbation and constant pleasure hits. This one is really important. Many men don't realize that watching too much porn or masturbating too often gives your brain constant pleasure. Your brain loves easy rewards, and when it gets them all the time, it stops pushing you to pursue real goals. You may feel less motivated, less ambitious, and less interested in working hard, building muscle, or achieving things that matter in real life. Your body notices this low-effort lifestyle and slowly reduces testosterone production. The fix is simple. Control the habit. Focus your energy on real challenges, and redirect your drive toward fitness, work, or learning new skills. When your brain and hormones work together, your energy and motivation improve naturally. Number 3. Poor diet and extra body fat. Your hormones are built from what you eat. Eating too much sugar, junk food, or ultra-processed meals increases inflammation and body fat. And here's an important fact. Extra body fat actually converts testosterone into estrogen, lowering your testosterone further. The more fat you carry, the harder it is for your body to stay strong, energetic, and motivated. Focus on real, nutrient-rich foods like eggs, red meat, fish, nuts, seeds, vegetables, and healthy fats. Keep your meals simple and consistent. Number 4. Sunlight and key nutrients. 3 nutrients are especially important for maintaining testosterone: zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D. Zinc supports hormone production, magnesium helps with recovery and sleep, and vitamin D acts almost like a hormone itself. The best way to get vitamin D: sunlight. Try to get 15-20 minutes of morning sun whenever possible. Even this small habit can improve your energy, mood, and hormone balance over time. Pair it with foods rich in zinc and magnesium, like eggs, pumpkin seeds, nuts, and dark chocolate, and you're giving your body the tools it needs to function at its best. Number 5. Stress kills testosterone. Stress is a silent hormone killer. High stress raises cortisol, which competes with testosterone inside your body. If you're constantly stressed about work, money, or life problems, your body prioritizes survival over growth. The solution is simple but requires consistency. Sleep 7-8 hours, train hard but allow proper recovery, take walks, meditate, and do deep breathing exercises. Number 6. Live with purpose. Purpose drives men more than anything else. When you wake up with no direction, your energy drops, your drive decreases, and your body doesn't produce as much testosterone. On the other hand, when you have a meaningful goal, whether it's building your fitness, career, or personal projects, your motivation increases naturally, and your hormones respond. One day you'll have a family, a wife, maybe kids looking up to you. The question is simple: will you be strong enough, mentally, physically, emotionally? Low energy, low drive, low confidence, that's not the man you want to become. Start building yourself now. Train, eat better, discipline your habits. Your future family deserves your strongest version. If you're serious about becoming that man, subscribe and start today.